Tears cried, tears dried, love gained, love lost. Lost. Real life, ill mind, much pain, much cost. Yes. Uprise, downfall, fuck nice, outlaw. Wait! Alright, let's get it. I'm not a nice nigga, soul is slightly demonic, that's why you see lights flicker. Lower your eyes and let your mind enter into a new dimension to visit divine sinners. Known to make all my enemies cry rivers. People be looking at me funny like I give up. You niggas nothing but line slippers. This is the return of the omen, your time is up. Titanic and ice pillars that's going down. Supply manners cause shy niggas get voted out. When my passion, my life should have been over now. Cause I'm manic as fight, feeling a motor mouth. 5 years I've been tumbling endless, trying to climb out the bloodiest trenches, fucking horrendous. Mixing honeys and friends with money and sins, eventually gets under your skin. I got grudges to live with.